first and most important topic which I want to talk about is actually a strategy which you can use. It's called a big fill. So basically what it means, I just jump onto a new chart. You can use it on any asset, doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, Sol or anything else. You can use it on anything. So this big fill strategy, I'm gonna show you what exactly it is, right? So here in this example, we do have a daily level. Okay, so we have 63,967, and this is a good daily level, not only because of the area it is, kind of a range low, but also it's right below 64k. So if that stops at 64, it's good. Now let me jump into the 15-minute, come back into that place. So this is the place, right? We took it from here, and this is the area which we interact with it. So this type of strategy you can use along with the New York session strategy. With that, there's a video explaining the New York one, and you can combine them both for extra confluence, right? So the big fill strategy is very simple, right? So we have a horizontal level, and it can be actually any key level. It can be a naked point control, it can be a FIP level, which is exactly like the 786 or 886, and you can use this along with the session reversals, right? So here in this example, let me just bring the order flow so you can see. We're gonna use this one. So let me just go back in time and show you. It is this interaction right here. So in this example, I want you to pay attention to the open interest. So overall in the area, you do have increasing open interest during, you can see 8 AM here. So pretty much Asia closed, London open, you have huge spike in the open interest. However, price hasn't moved for a long time. Then you come, you puke everybody out. You can see the decrease, and some people, they're gonna go down for the breakdown trade, right? That's why I don't trade breakouts. This is one of the reasons. So you can clearly see, if you use this as a pretty much the way I view it, you have equal lows, you can see them here, low, low, low. So pretty much you have lots of stops in the area, and then once you plunge them and you come back into the range, because this is a range, right? You have point A and point B, simple as that. And then you plunge them, you come back in, and when does it happen? 3 o'clock. What happens at 3? US is opened, pretty much every big fish has opened their position. And what is the proof, right? Let's look at the relative volume. So this is the delta, and here's the relative volume, right? So pretty much during this range, the relative volume is very low. Once New York opens and you plunge everybody out, then you get this spike in the relative volume. You can see it, right? And then you reclaim with very positive delta. Pretty much everybody that shorted is getting out of their position, and then the squeeze continues, and you do form that reversal, right? So this is the big fill strategy, and you can use it as an interaction with any key level, pretty much. Now, the next topic for today is gonna be why I was bearish at 70k and what